as I'm pondered upon your word. Today you've given me a heart of understanding, and give me grace to obey your command and show forth your light to the world, that I will draw men to you.
Let me be a child with a prophet's heart. Let me be a child of the place of
Oh, please you, Father, oh, reveal your way. Oh, save me with the Spirit, oh, feel the love in all of. Oh, let me be a child of the place, you, Father.
Let me be a child with a prophet's heart.
You have shown us the way to follow, to love the church, just the way you love the that your grace may be felt among us. Forgive and not to hold on offenses, so we may pray and do get our answer there. Lord, do help us to follow thee.
Let me be a child with a prophet's
Oh, perfect heart. Oh, please you, Father. Reveal your will in all I do. Oh, say, all of my life. Oh, let me be a child with a perfect heart. Let me be a child with a please you, Father. Let me be a child that reveals your will in all I do or say. Lord, I pray that Jesus will be seen in all of my life. Let me be a child that will please you, Father. Let me be a child that will please you, Father. Let me be a child that let me be a child who please you, Father. Let me be a child that reveals your will in all I do or say. Let me be that Jesus will be seen in all of my life. Let me be a child that will please you, Father. Let me be a child with a perfect